start with this personal branding, I just want to ask you, because this is a rainy season now, we have seen a lot of rains are coming. So just tell me how you enjoy the rain. How you enjoy the rain. See, there are various ways of enjoying the rain. One way is you can get drenched into it. You can enjoy it by having some tea, pakoras. You can just go out and freak out and you can see the scenic beauty, which is very beautiful, right? But one very important way of enjoying the rain is, you must have heard about this rain harvesting system. Do you all know what the rain harvesting system is? See, rain harvesting system is we save the rain water and then we utilize it for so many purpose, right? Now you all must be wondering that why I am referring here this rain. But please, why I'm referring is because it has a correlation with this presentation which I'm going to provide you. Because this is just like a rain, it is all up to you how you enjoy it. There are so many, I have made some presentations so you can just enjoy this by looking at the various PowerPoint slides which are made. You can enjoy it by having tea, coffee at your own place, by having pakoras also. Yeah, you can have it. Okay, but one way is, if you really want to enjoy, so just try to remember all the points which I'm going to tell you in this presentation, right? Because this you can utilize to build your brand, and this is very, very important. Now, see, you won't believe, I think you all are entrepreneurs and you all into the business, but there is one prediction which has been made considering the research which has been conducted worldwide. Okay, in this presentation, in this research, they have concluded that in the future, this employer-employee relationship is not going to exist. That means what? Suppose if I want something to get done, why I will hire a person and I will look up to that at what time he is coming, at what time he is going, then I will be required to look up to their PA, gratuity, and then pension and welfare fund. Why I will do so much of pain? Why I will take so much of pain? If I want something to get done, I will just outsource that particular activity to a specialized person and I can get my work done. So even otherwise, this is all the more very important when you are into the business. But believe me, beside this business, each and every person now are going to be independent. And when this is going to be the scenario, believe me, this personal branding is going to help us a lot, because now each and every individual will be required to build up their own brand, at what they are unique at, what is their identity, what speciality they have, what uniqueness they have, right? So I hope with this background, you all are ready to see that what comes under the personal branding. Okay, so I'm just presenting one presentation to you all. Okay, so this presentation is going to affect on your mind, brain, profession, well-being, health, relationship, because I personally feel that personal branding, it includes each and everything. That is, it includes your mind, brain, profession, well-being, health, relationship, because when we are talking about the branding, it is going to affect on all these area which has been mentioned here. So first, before we start with this building a brand, first we should know that what the personal brand it means. Now, this personal branding is a most popular buzzword, but what it really means is your brand is what other people say about you when you are not in the room. That means what? That what kind of identity you are giving to the other people, how they are perceiving yourself. Okay, see, I'm just stopping this sharing and I'm coming back. Okay, yeah, see, I think some are saying that I should refer the Hindi also. Okay. आप एक ऐसा सिनारियो लीजिए कि can I stop you from having certain kind of opinion about me, though I'm interacting with you all for the first time, but can I stop your mind to have certain kind of a image or opinion about me? I can't do that. Even if I'm liking it or not liking it, you are forming an opinion about me when you are seeing me, when you are hearing me, right? I cannot control that. मैं आपको बोल सकती हूँ कि नहीं आप मुझे देख रहे हो, but don't form any opinion about me that what I am. No, I can't control your mind. But if I am conscious about my image, I can channelize the way I want it to be, right? अगर मुझे लगता है कि okay, I should be known as a motivational speaker, right? Then in each and everything, in my conduct, in my communication, that should get reflected, because now I know that what I want from my life, and if I am clear on that, I can channelize your thought. But if I myself are not clear on that, how I'm going to channelize, right? So this we have to understand and see. आप चाहो या ना चाहो, लोग आपके बारे में ओपिनियन फॉर्म करने ही वाले हैं और वो आपके बारे में कोई ना कोई परसेप्शन रखने ही वाले हैं. But if you are conscious, you can channelize their thought. And here in this presentation, we are going to learn that how we can channelize it the way I want it to be. But before I tell some other person that who I am, first I should know who I am, right? It all starts with ourselves. And believe me, I think I'm again, okay, forget about that presentation. I'm going to talk to you on a one-to-one basis. Okay, see, according to one survey, which was conducted worldwide, they have concluded that whatever technical knowledge we acquire, that contributes only 15% of our success. Can you believe this? I'm saying 15 and not 50. It means that whatever technical knowledge we acquire, that contributes only 15% of our success. You know that rest of the 85%, it depends on what? Yes. Anybody has any idea? You can give your answer in the chat form also. Yeah, you can write something. That rest of the 85%, it depends on what? Yes. Yeah, soft skill. Yeah, some are saying that soft skill is there. But soft skill, it includes what? When I'm saying, when you're saying soft skill, it includes a lot of things. Like communication is there. But even to have that communication, some are saying character, some are saying soft skill. But believe me, to have all that soft skill, something even to get that soft skill, what we require is the attitude and the management skill. Believe me, this is the one who is going to contribute your success. He was going to contribute in your success, and this is very, very important. Technical skill only play very small amount. This is very less proportion they contribute in our success. But majority, that is, it all depends on the attitude we have and how we, what you can say, how we communicate, how we manage the things. The rest of the 85%, it depends on that, right? So with this background, I think we all have to first work on ourselves. I'm going to tell you that what steps we can take to build our brand, but first it all starts with ourselves. And now we are going to talk on how to make ourselves, how to have that kind of attitude, because this is attitude and management skill is very important, right? So first we have to work on our attitude, and then only we could be able to tell to the world that who we are. So now to have that good attitude, here I'm not giving you any theoretical that, okay, this is required and this you have to do. No, I'm not here to give you just do's and don'ts. I'm also going to tell you the methods to get it. right? So here, when we are talking about the attitude, this is all a psychological process we have, right? So when we are talking about the psychological process, first we should be aware of that. And now, believe me, there is a three-step of the psychology that which reflect in our behavior, because whatever reflects in our behavior, whatever coming out, our communication, our behavior, our conduct, people, they are going to form an image on this basis, right? So whatever first happens within us, that only gets reflected in our behavior. So what is happening within us, I'm going to elaborate on that first, and then we will come to the brand building process, right? See, every human being, they goes through this three psychological process. Okay, you all are there? Okay, so every person, they goes through these three psychological process, that is cognitive, affective, and behaviorism. Now what it means? See, cognitive is something, cognitive का मतलब क्या होता है? This is a first impression we are getting about something, right? This is a first opinion we are forming about anything. This is a first, what you can say, first things which comes to our mind. This is a, what you can say, the cognitive. And whatever it is there, whether it is positive or negative, right? It is going to get triggered. Suppose if I say that, okay, that person is very noble, he is very nice, he do a lot of philanthropic activities, right? So this is a first perception I'm getting about something if I see somebody. Now, if some other person also says that, okay, do you know that he's a very good person and he's philanthropist. So now what is happening? I already have my own opinion. Now it is getting triggered, right? It is getting triggered. Now whatever my opinion is, that is getting converted into a faith and a belief, right? Now if that faith and belief is there, now if I know that, okay, that person is good, that person is noble, and that has been triggered by some other thing also, now it has formed my faith and belief. Now it is going to reflect in my behavior also. I'm just giving you one example, right? So it is going to affect in my behavior also. Now my behavior with that particular person is going to be very pleasant, right? अगर जिसके बारे में मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है, obviously whenever I am going to meet that person, my what you can say, feeling towards will be a pleasant one, है ना? उसको हम लोग कोई डांट के या कुछ गाली गलौज तो नहीं करेंगे हम लोग उससे. Our conduct is going to be very jovial, very pleasant, very harmonious, right? And this is what happens in each and everything. जिसको भी हमें कंडक्ट, जो भी हमारा बिहेवियर में आता है, वो फर्स्ट कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में आता है. और वो दिमाग में आने के लिए ही ये जरूरी है कि whatever opinion, whatever thing which we are perceiving, right? किसी के बारे में हम कुछ भी अगर सोच रहे हैं, that should be a positive, because किसी का मतलब, अगर मैंने उस person के बारे में अच्छा सोचा है या बुरा सोचा है, that is not going to affect that person, but that is definitely going to affect me, क्योंकि उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि whether I'm liking it or I'm disliking it. It is not going to affect that person, but obviously it is going to affect me, because if all the positivity is there, so positive को attract करता है, that will only, the positive will get triggered by something positive, and my behavior will going to be positive. So just be cautious that whatever negative thoughts which are coming to you, because once it reach to you, it reflects in your behavior. It is going to reflect in your behavior. So for that reason, we have to be very cautious whatever comes to our mind. So we have to be very cautious what we are thinking. So that's why सब लोग बोलते हैं ना, बुजुर्ग भी, कि हमें अच्छा सोचना चाहिए, बड़ा सोचना चाहिए, because वही चीज एक अच्छी चीज को अट्रैक्ट करती है, और वही हमारे कंडक्ट में आता है, और वही हमारे रिजल्ट को प्रोड्यूस करता है, right? So I hope this cognitive, affective, and behavior, and our psychological process of building a attitude which contributes 85% of our success is clear to all of you? Yeah. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Okay. Yeah. You
Yes,
all are
yes.
there? Yes. Is it clear to
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good, good, good. Okay, now I will come to this presentation. Right now, we are going to see that what steps are involved in this brand building process. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग देखेंगे कि ब्रांड बिल्डिंग के लिए हमने क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेनी चाहिए. नाउ वी आर स्विचिंग टू द मेन प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके. Okay, can you see this presentation? Can you see this presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, just tell me, can you recognize these two personality? One is Steve Jobs and another one is Dennis Ritchie. We are talking about the personal branding, right? So what this, who this Steve Jobs is, I think many of you must be knowing him. Steve Jobs कौन है? कोई बता सकता है?
Ma'am,
Yes.
founder of
Hello.
Apple.
Yes. Sorry.
Founder of Apple.
Yes, yes, he's the
Found,
one who is the founder of the Apple, right? And do you know that who this Dennis Ritchie is?
yeah, he is a IT guy who developed the C language.
Yes, 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 very true. And I think you all must, matlab, whatever, whoever is answering it must be belonging to this computer field, right?
Yes.
But Steve,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes, that's why you could be able to recognize Dennis Ritchie also, because he's known as the father of the C language, and he's the co-founder of this Unix language also, right? And believe me, if Dennis Ritchie would not have been there, there would be no programming, no generic text, only language, and I think we could not be able to do all the things on internet. So he is the one who has introduced. He's the father of the C language, जिसके basis पर ये सारे softwares develop हुए, right? And who this Steve Jobs is, he's the one who has what you can say. He's the founder of the Apple and Pixar, and this person is known all over the world, and he's very good. He's known as the very good what you can say chief executive officer, and he's a businessman, entrepreneur, designer, intellectual. Now why I am giving you this two persons detail is because they both died in the same month. Steve Jobs, he died on 5th October 2011, and this Dennis Ritchie, he died on 12th October 2011. That is 5th October and 12th October. But believe me, the Steve Jobs news has been covered worldwide. But very few were knowing that, okay, Dennis Ritchie is also not there. Why this has happened? Because whatever Dennis Ritchie, his contribution is immense, right? We are not talking about the contribution they have made, but we are talking about the branding. Because whatever knowledge he was having, he has kept to himself. Or okay, he has published his books, but he has not built a brand as such. And the Steve Jobs, he's the one who has built the brand, right? And brand means what? This Apple, this is something. Now okay, now what comes in this steps to build a personal brand is, first is know yourself. Now see, our purpose is that we should be known to the world for our product, right? So first, this now we are coming to the building a personal brand, and what steps are involved. Now we are going to see this. Now first is know yourself. Now what it means? See, it means that each and every person, they are unique in themselves, and they have some unique trait, they have their own identity. So first we should know that who we are, what is our vision, what is our purpose in life, right? हमारा क्या unique है which we can offer to the world. Now we should not be the copy of any person. You have to be original yourself, right? So first it includes the know yourself. Now how we can know ourselves is by way of a 360-degree analysis. 360-degree analysis means what? See, there are various tests which we can conduct on this, and if time permits, in future I would like to interact with you all, and I can conduct some what I can say test also, where you will come to know about yourself also. We have some psychological questionnaire that I can circulate, and through that you can analyze, but for that a different session is required. But for the time being, when I'm saying that know yourself, first it should be analysis, 360-degree analysis, that how the senior they see you, how the junior they look up to you, how your colleague felt about you, how they feel about you, and how the external person, how they perceive you. So it should be known. For that you should have a survey, you should have a analysis done, that is a 360-degree analysis. You should know that if suppose if you are communicating on a public forum, how the public they perceive your personality, how the colleague they think about you, how what the senior person they think about you, what the junior person think about you. So all these things comes under the know yourself, because first we should know what we are, and then only we could be able to tell the world who we are, right? So after this comes the, this is the second step we are discussing, that is articulate your VPs. VPs means we are using double VPs, that is vision, purpose, value, and passion. Vision, purpose, value, and passion, it means what? That what vision we have, right? Hamara, what we, where we see ourselves in the long run. And purpose, how we are going to contribute to make it possible. And what values means, what are the bases, what are our feeling, right? And passion is something which energize you, right? When you get out of the bed, you should be very enthusiastic that okay, today I want to do this. So this is what passion is, that when you get out of your bed in the morning, that what lead you to do certain thing, आपको ये पता होता है, अरे वाओ आज मैं ये करने वाली हूँ, right? If that is not there, everything will become very dull. So to keep that alive, to have that kind of a spark in ourselves, this passion is very important. And passion only comes when we know ourselves, that what is that which makes me feel very happy, right? And once this is also done, then comes that you have to define your target audience. Now, when I am talking about target audience, it means what? See, you don't have to be very popular. That people they strive to have just popular, चाहे वो popularity उनको negative इसमें भी आए, so it hardly matters. कई ऐसे हैं कि मतलब दे मेक फन ऑफ देमसेल्फ, राइट? या कुछ बेकार करके या कुछ अलग करके, इवन क्रिमिनल दे आर वेरी पॉपुलर, राइट? But our target is not to be popular, but we should be known to the person to whom we matter. मतलब जिसको हमारे लिए मैटर करते हैं और हम जिनको मैटर करते हैं, it should be known to them. Suppose I belong to this teaching fraternity, right? So my audience, target audience is my students, that what they think. I don't care that what other people they are thinking about me. But for me, my students, they are my target audience, right? So what I can do, first I have to know that what their understanding is, what where they belong, what kind of thing they require. Suppose if I'm delivering a lecture, so what is their requirement, right? See, even otherwise, see, when we are talking about targeting the audience, believe me, हमारे जो बुजुर्ग थे, they were talking about कि ग्राहक ही भगवान होता है. वो क्यों ऐसा बोलते थे? बट बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग, आपके लिए ये टारगेट ऑडियंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रखता है. इवन जो क्वालिटी, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्रांडिंग, वी आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्वालिटी, right? And the quality, this has been defined under the ISO standard as the totality of feature and characteristics of a product or a service. Suppose if you are dealing with a product, that includes the feature and characteristics of the product, and suppose if you are dealing with the services, then it comes as a services that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs of the consumer. That means what? That what they require, what their needs are, what their requirements are, right? And if you could be able to satisfy that, believe me, you are delivering the quality. Otherwise not. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि when we open the restaurant, the main purpose is what? A person should get a tasty food. Suppose if you have developed all the infrastructure, but the food is not of that quality, of your, even with the consumer, they are not liking your food, then your whole efforts will go waste, right? So before we start with anything, even जो quality का definition भी दिया गया है, it includes identifying the implied and the stated need of the consumer. और देखिए, हमारे जो बुजुर्ग इसीलिए बोलते थे ना कि आप कुछ भी बिजनेस करते हो, आपका कंज्यूमर आपका भगवान होता है. वो क्यों बोला जाता था ग्राहक ही भगवान है? बिकॉज दे आर द वन हु आर गोइंग टू गिव यू अ बिजनेस. और अगर किसी को भी बिजनेस में बहुत एक्सेल करना है, बिलीव मी, अगर हम लोग एक बिजनेस का स्पेलिंग भी देखते हैं, बिजनेस का स्पेलिंग क्या होता है? BUSINESS, राइट? नाउ टेल मी, आई जो है वो हमेशा यू के बाद में आता है, राइट? अगर हम लोग बिजनेस का स्पेलिंग देखें तो यू इट ऑलवेज कम फर्स्ट एंड आई इट ऑलवेज कम्स लेटर. इट मीन्स व्हाट? कि अगर कुछ भी बिजनेस करना है तो आपको दूसरे को पहले रखना पड़ेगा, बाद में मैं आऊंगा. और अगर आप इसको ध्यान से अगर देखो, हमारे जो स्पेलिंग है बिजनेस में, हमारा आई कहीं पे वो प्रोनाउंस होता है क्या? आई इज ऑलवेज साइलेंट व्हेन वी प्रोनाउंस द वर्ड बिजनेस. यू कैन ट्राई योरसेल्फ. बिजनेस को हमारा स्पेलिंग क्या है उसका? BUSINESS. But when we pronounce, we say only business. I is always silent. I वहां पे नहीं रहता है. But believe me, if you get satisfied, I always get satisfied. Are you getting it? अगर you satisfy हो गया तो आपका वैसे ही पर्पस आपका सॉल्व हो जाता है, आपका जो बिजनेस वैसे ही ग्रो कर जाता है. बट यू हैव टू कीप others interest, others requirement, others need at the front place, right? So is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? When this is done, when we know who we are, and when our vision, purpose, values and passion are clear, and we know that what our target audience is, then you should have some stories to tell, that what you do, right? It should be communicated. It should be communicated. You should have, and to communicate, see, it comes later on, that you have to do the brand communication also. But for that also, you should have something, some substance to tell to the world कि भाई आपको जो चाहिए हमारा ये. कई लोग, they feel pride that they are into the service since last 100 years, 50 years. Why they emphasis on that? Because they have so many stories to tell, right? So build some stories. जो भी आप जिस तरीके का इमेज आप लोगों को देना चाहते हैं, और वो इमेज जब मैं क्लियर हूं कि ओके, सो ये मेरी चीज ने किस किस तरीके से लोगों को हेल्प किया है. Suppose if I want to be known as a motivational trainer, so how I motivated people and how they have how their life has changed. Now what they are doing, I should have some stories to tell, right? Now after that comes, when this is clear, my image is clear, identity is clear, my values, passions, vision is clear, then comes creating your own brand statement. Now brand statement is what? See, every good brand, they have their own tagline, right? Just do it. ये किसका tagline है? This is a Nike tagline, right? Now, even the Apple, what their tagline is, their tagline is think different, and they are doing it. Believe me, they are doing it. And why the brand it matters, I will tell you. See, in the current scenario where all other this mobile instrument provider, they are just struggling with each other, and they are competing for just 1 and 2,000 here and there. Suppose if one company launch a mobile with this kind of a few features at the rate of 10,000 rupees, another company they launch the same mobile with the same features at the rate of 9,000 rupees, and they're competing on this basis. But whether the Apple will get affected, no, not at all. Suppose if they think that they have to launch a mobile at the rate of 1,28,000, right? They are going to launch it, and people, they are going to make a queue to buy it. This happens, and this is what is right, because उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं, because they know that their product is very different. So they think different and they deliver different. So their tagline is this. Now, you just another take an example of a Reliance. What it says is growth is life, and because of that, they are under the 500 Fortune company and the largest private corporation in India, right? So, likewise, even you can have your own tagline. And अगर आपको अपना tagline बनाना है, I can help you in that also. Sorry. I can help you in building your tagline also. And for that, what you have to do is just write down this 2 sentence. If you are having a pen and a paper with you, you can just write, okay, even if you're not writing, this is just a 2 lines which you have to keep in mind. First is, I want to be known for being, right? This is my identity, my uniqueness. So I want to be known for being this, so that I can deliver this to this. मतलब ये मैं deliver कर सकती हूँ, और किसको deliver कर सकती हूँ, ये. और अगर if this 2 statement is, if you are clear on this 2 statement, that I want to be known for being this, so that I can deliver dash to dash. Dash means that is target audience. If you are clear with this 2 sentence, you can make your own brand statement, you can make your own tagline, right? So this is known as creating your brand statement, right? Now, if this is clear, now you all must be wondering that when I'm telling you that, okay, you have to have this personal branding. So, आप लोग ये भी जानना चाहोगे कि मेरी brand statement क्या है, right? My brand statement is, I want to live a life on an accelerated pace of learning. Which means what? I always want to learn, and this can be projected by the degrees I'm having. I have already post-graduation degree, and I've done so many diploma courses, certification courses, and I'm still pursuing some degrees and diploma. So this all affirm what I believe, right? So whatever we have, it should be corroborated by your conduct, by your some evidences. So that is there. So every person should have a brand statement. And see, किसी का कॉपी नहीं चलता है. Here you have to come out with something unique. और इसीलिए मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक गाइडलाइन आपको मैंने प्रोवाइड किया है. अगर आपको अपना ब्रांड स्टेटमेंट बनाना है, तो आपको सिर्फ ये 2 लाइन को ध्यान में रखना है कि आई वांट टू बी नोन फॉर बीइंग, मतलब मैं जानना चाहती, मैं सब लोगों में ये चाहती हूँ कि लोग मुझे जाने इस वजह से, ताकि मैं ये डिलीवर कर सकूं, और किसके लिए डिलीवर कर सकूं. और अगर आपका ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर है, यू कैन हैव योर ओन ब्रांड स्टेटमेंट, राइट? नाउ आफ्टर this is there, then comes building the brand communication plan. Now we are clear that who we are. Now it should be communicated, right? Now how you can communicate, you can present it in the conference, you can join some professional bodies, you can visit social media. Through social media also you can tell, and you can join these professional bodies. I think the Sampark is also doing the same job, right? They are a body of a professional person. and people here, they come. So this is a good chance for you to have your own brand. And then you can create your own blog, you can write an article, you can write a book, you can tell about yourself. Now WhatsApp media, social media is there, Facebook is there, Twitter is there. So you can have your own blog, you can have your own website, which is communicating all what you want to convey, right? Now, after this is done, then comes the next stage is you have to follow the 3 C's of branding. That is clarity, consistency, and the constancy. Clarity means that what we want to do, it should be very clear, right? There should not exist any ambiguity or vagueness in it. And whatever you are doing, you should be consistent. And constancy means what? It should be visible to the target audience. Constancy means that whatever you are doing, it should be visible to them, right? And once this is done, then comes the live in the inquiry. Once you have your own circle, when you are what it is, spreading your wings, even in that stage also you have to just keep on adopting, adjusting, and progressing. Because nowadays the life cycle of each and every product services is very less, right? They just get introduced in the market, then they reach at the peak stage, and then they goes on the declining. So that should not be there. You have to keep on adjusting with the new technology which are getting introduced each and every day, right? So we have to adopt it, we have to adjust ourselves, and then we have to progress, right? Even the teachers, they are adjusting themselves in this new form of teaching. Earlier it was not there. Even I started giving this online session during this pandemic COVID time only. Before that I never did all these things. Now we have to keep on adjusting, and if we want to make a progress, so we have to adopt this new technology and adopt the new situation, scenario, or the environment which is coming. And this is there. So wait, yeah. So that is there. So I hope all the steps are clear to all of you. All the steps are clear to all of you. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
see, हम लोगों ने आज के सेशन में what we have covered, we have covered that what is the importance of the attitude. First, we have started with the rain, and we have started with what is the importance of the attitude and how we can build a good positive attitude. And after that, we have seen some steps which includes first is knowing yourself, then articulate your VPs, that is vision, purpose, and values and passion. Then we have seen that how we can define our own target audience, and then we have seen that how we can tell the stories, and then how we can create the brand statement, and then we have seen that how we can communicate our brand, and what are the 3 C's of the branding, and what we can do to adopt, adjust, and progress, right? So I hope you are clear, because in this just 1 hour session, it is very difficult to take in detail each and every aspect. But from my side, I have just I've just tried to make you all aware about the personal branding, and I hope you all have got some point from this session. So now if you have any question, this, I think we have just 5-10 minutes with us. So you can ask me question by typing your question in this chat box, and I will answer. Yes. If you want to clarify, or even if you want me to clarify on anything, you can ask me. But I hope I am clear. I hope you have got something from this. Okay, yeah, you can ask me the questions. Okay, yeah. Now it is open to you all. You can ask me any question. Some 29. Yes.
अगर किसी को कोई प्रश्न हो तो पूछ सकते हैं, अरविंद जी आंसर करेंगे.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, anybody has any question to ask? Yes. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I take it as a compliment. Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Narendra Jogi is saying that you were very clear. So, okay, I take it as a compliment. Okay, this is good. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you very much, Bhupendra Rarang sir. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, even otherwise, even after this session, if you want me to clarify on anything, you can write a mail, and my email ID is there with sir, and you can get it from there, and you can write a mail and I will reply to it.
अरविंद जी.
Yes, yes.
आपके टॉपिक पे मेरे को एक प्रश्न था.
हाँ जी.
कई बार क्या होता है कि हम लोगों को अपने काम पे फोकस करना रहता है. जैसे कहते हैं ना गीता में, कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत रखो. तो ब्रांडिंग के चक्कर में क्या होता है, और वो भी स्पेशली सेल्फ ब्रांडिंग, और अगर हम सेल्फ ब्रांडिंग के चक्कर में जाते हैं तो एक प्रॉब्लम विडंबना ये होती है कि हमारा ध्यान न काम से हट जाता है, और दूसरा उसका सबसे बड़ा नुकसान ये होता है काम से हटने का, कई बार मीडिया और उसकी वजह से अहंकार का भी अपने आप उसमें आने लगता है अपने आप में. तो बिना काम को अफेक्ट किए, बिना अहंकार में आए, मतलब अपने को ब्रांडिंग भी करनी है और काम में जरा सा भी उसमें वो नहीं आना चाहिए, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है. बिलीव मी, दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड क्वेश्चंस आई एम गेटिंग. नाउ सी, द क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव टू do smart work and not the hard work, right? So what it means is, when we are talking about smart work, देखिए इसलिए मैंने I started with the consumer focus, कि just because I'm doing something, this is not going to help. First, it should all starts with the other person, that what they want, what their requirement is, what their need is. Right? And suppose if we are building a brand, believe me, we are bridging the gap of what we are and what my client they expect. And this, ये कोई अहंकार की बात नहीं है, ये आपको ब्रिज कर रहा है आपके कंज्यूमर के साथ में, राइट? कि आप क्या हो और आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है, और आप उसको किस तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं, या जो भी मैं हूं उस हिसाब से मेरा टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या है. If we are clear, and this brand building process यही सारी चीजों को इन्वॉल्व करता है, तो सिर्फ मेहनत करनी हमारे लिए आज की डेट में सफिशिएंट नहीं है. आज की डेट में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है हमारे लिए स्मार्ट वर्क, हार्ड वर्क नहीं. और स्मार्ट वही होता है कि फर्स्ट ये सारी चीजों को एनालाइज किया जाए, सामने वाले को एनालाइज किया जाए, और उस ब्रिज को, उसको, वो जो गैप है उसको ब्रिज किया जाए. और ये जो ब्रांडिंग है, दिस इज अ ब्रिजिंग, कि हम जो हैं और हमारा सामने वाला क्या है और उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, हम इसको गैप को ब्रिज कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. और ये सारी चीजें, आप जो ट्रेड्स के बारे में बता रहे हो, ये तो हम लोगों ने, वी हैव टॉक्ड इन अ स्ट्रिक्ट प्रोफेशनल टर्म, राइट? और वो प्रोफेशनल टर्म को करने के लिए, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला था कि थोड़ा सा हमें अपनी साइकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस की तरफ भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए. इसीलिए आई स्टार्टेड विद दैट कॉग्निटिव, अफेक्टिव एंड बिहेवियरिज्म, राइट? और इसीलिए अगर आपका कुछ भी रहता है, तो अगर आपकी कोई अच्छी चीजें, अच्छी भावनाएं आती हैं, वो हमारे अच्छे इसमें रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी. सो इसीलिए बोला जाता है ना कि प्रोफेशनल के साथ में सब लोगों ने अपने पर्सनल लाइफ, स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ और ये सारी चीजों को बैलेंस करना बहुत जरूरी है. So if that gets balanced, everything will fall in place. I hope I have answered your query.
अगर मैं सही समझाऊं तो आपने उत्तर दिया है कि we should focus on the branding of our institution or company or our products. not
Yes.
the branding of me, like me as a person.
Of course,
That
because अभी मैं कुछ भी हूँ, ultimately मेरा product is going to speak for myself. मेरी services are going to speak for myself. मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. अगर if I'm into some kind of a service, अगर मैं एक सलून ही क्यों ना चलाती हूँ, तो मेरा जो ब्रांड बनेगा मेरी सर्विस के साथ में बनेगा. मैं एज एन इंडिविजुअल तो मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. माई सर्विस विल स्पीक फॉर माई सेल्फ, माई प्रोडक्ट इज स्पीकिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. तो मैं तो हूं ही नहीं. इसीलिए बिजनेस में मैंने इसीलिए बोला है, आई की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं होती, आई की कोई अहमियत ही नहीं होती, और आई होना भी नहीं चाहिए. लेकिन अगर यू सर्व होता है तो आई ऑटोमेटिकली इट गेट्स सर्व. Are you all getting it?
thanks, Arvind. Thank you very much.
Okay.
That's it from my side.
Yeah. I hope
I had one question.
Yes.
I had a question. Like
Yes.
here, you're discussing about the product,
Right.
and it is not as the individual.
Right.
But I'm an astrologer, so where is my product?
See, whatever you communicate, how you predict, and whether your prediction has any scientific basis. And for that scientific basis, you need to have a thorough study of your field. So that study is going to affect your prediction. So that prediction is going to build a brand for you. कि हाँ भाई, मैंने उनसे कंसल्ट किया था, उन्होंने मुझे ये चीज बताई थी, और मुझे उन्होंने ये चीज स्टोन पहनने के लिए बोला था, and because of that I got up some kind of a progress and prosperity in my business. So आप as an individual, right, आपकी prediction वहां पे brand है. Are you getting it? और वो prediction strong करने के लिए आपकी study, scientific study strong होनी चाहिए. Scientific study strong करने के लिए आपकी मेहनत वहां पे होगी. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Any other questions? Any other queries? Okay, yeah, Kailash Kotwani is saying that I would say that output and satisfaction you give to your client, that will be your branding. Yeah, I agree. So if you have any other questions, you can ask me. Yeah. Once this corona time get over, I would really love to interact with you on one-to-one basis, on a personal basis, because here I can't see some of your faces. So yeah, but till that happens, our learning should not stop. So I hope, sir, is it okay now? I think can we conclude it now? Yes. If nobody has any question to ask. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And I am really thankful to this Sampark group for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all. Believe me, I got a good learning, and I'm always after that. So thank you, thanks a lot, and thank you for your kind words. I'm really grateful to you all for hearing me patiently, and thank you. And I look for an opportunity to interact with you all on one-to-one basis. So thank you, thanks a lot. All your words of appreciation which you are giving in your chat, this really means to me a lot, and I'm really very thankful to you. So thank you very much. I think over to Authority. Yeah, he's wait.
Start. Yes, thanks, Dr. Ravinder Kaur, Madam. I am extremely grateful for giving time to Sampark Group, and she has spoken very rightly about the personal branding and the definition by Jeff Bezos that it is what people say about you when you are not there. And a live example, Narendra Bhau Jog, you are there, and Narendra Jog, Madam, एक बहुत अच्छे कैटरर है, उनका बहुत अच्छा नाम है, आप भी जानते होंगे. Yes, I know. I have taken their services. Yeah, yes, he is a brand. Okay. He is one of the brand, and he is present in this meeting. Such people are there in our groups also. So they are examples, live examples of self branding. So सो आप चाहो या ना चाहो, जैसे आपने कहा है कि लोग आपको आपके बारे में ओपिनियन बनाते हैं, और 15% जो है वो आपके टेक्निकल स्किल्स, और 85 जो है वो जो आपका एटीट्यूड है और मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स है, आपका जो लोक व्यवहार है, उसके ऊपर आपकी सफलता निर्भर करती है। और आपने साइकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस के बारे में, कॉग्निटिव, बिहेवियरल, अदर एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बताया, जैसे पॉजिटिव attracts positive, like attracts color, and it is reflected in our behavior also। अच्छा सोचना चाहिए, अच्छा बड़ा सोचना चाहिए, जैसे हमारे बुजुर्गों ने कहा है। और you have rightly quoted examples of Steve Jobs, who is founder of Apple, and how he has made self branding an example in front of the world. And also Dennis Ritchie, father of C language, who they both died, but he could not build his this brand. So you have given yourself this about how to build this self branding, the process or the steps, know yourself, and the most important is the self know yourself. The first point, अगर आपको आपके बारे में जानकारी हो गई, अगर आपको खुद को आपको पहचानते हैं, तो आपने अपनी अपनी you have won this world. If you discover yourself, if you are able to discover yourself, your true purpose of life, why you are sent to this planet, then you have won this world.
Yes.
And second, vision, purpose, values, your uniqueness. Everybody is unique in this universe, and you have to present your universe. You have to be original. You don't have to copy to others. Define your target or audience. Tell your stories. Create your statement. Building your brand communication plan. Follow 3 C's of branding: clarity, communication, consistency, and constancy. And live in the inquiry, adapt, adjust. और मैडम ने बहुत अच्छे से हमें समझाया कि ग्राहक ही भगवान होता है, और ये सच है। ये चाहे पॉलिटिकल, ये कोई भी फील्ड में है, अगर पॉलिटिक्स में है तो उनके लिए जनता ही जनार्दन है, जनता ही जनार्दन है। ये सभी के लिए, हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो सर्विस सेक्टर में हो, सर्विसेज जॉब में हम लोग काम करते हैं, उसमें भी यही चीज लागू होती है। तो सेल्फ ब्रांडिंग, इट इज नॉट फॉर बिजनेस, इट इज अ यूनिवर्सल।
Especially, I want to add one more thing in this. When we are talking about customer, not only it includes the external customers, it includes the internal customers also.
Yes.
Suppose if I'm working in some organization, then whoever allots me certain work, he is going to be my customer, because for what purpose he has given me. So it is necessary for me to understand his stated and implied needs. ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला है ये काम उन्हें करना है, पर उनको किस वजह से करना है, उनकी वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए मेरे में, कि उन्होंने जो मुझे काम बोला है सिर्फ वो जो बोल रहे हैं उसका नहीं है, उसके अलावा स्टेटेड एंड इम्प्लाइड नीड्स उनकी क्या है, एंड इफ आई कुड बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट, आई कैन डिलीवर द क्वालिटी, राइट। सो व्हेन जब ये कंज्यूमर और ग्राहक की हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो ग्राहक not necessarily means external consumer, it also includes the internal consumers.
Yes. So इस प्रकार मैडम ने आज बहुत अच्छा सुंदर वार्तालाप हम लोगों के साथ में किया है, और उन्होंने अपनी इच्छा जाहिर की है कि वे 1-to-1 हम लोगों के साथ में, जैसा ये कोरोना काल खत्म होता है, तो वो हमसे वार्तालाप करेंगी, संवाद करेंगी, और उनके जो अनुभव है, क्योंकि वो जिस फील्ड में काम करती है वाईसीसी फील्ड में, उनको कॉर्पोरेट का भी एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छे से है। तो निश्चित तौर पे उन्होंने आज हमसे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि वे हमें आने के लिए तैयार है, आमंत्रित करें।
Even to build your brand, कि हम लोग उसको ये जो सारी चीजें बताई हैं उसको हम लोग किस तरीके से डॉक्यूमेंट कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से हमारा, for that also you can take my services, and I would love to help you all in building your own brand. Thank you.
तो मैडम का मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, कैलाश भाई कोटवानी जी का मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, क्योंकि वो जिस तरीके से लगे हुए रहते हैं सबको जोड़ने के लिए, मैं उनको देखता रहता हूँ। उनकी पूरी टीम यहाँ जो ऑफिस बेरर्स है, मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ। और साथ में हमारे नरेंद्र भाई जो है, उनका मैं विशेष तौर पर धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ कि वो अंतिम समय तक रुके हुए हैं। मैं जानता हूँ उनका काम कितना बिजी है वो, लेकिन उनका सोशल सेक्टर कितना है, लेकिन वो उसके बावजूद भी till the last moment he is attending, and every other Bhupesh Naran, Subesh Mahalle, the Dhakulkar, Tanish Jain, Amit Saru, Acharya, Sudhakar J, and many people who are present who have attended this workshop. सभी लोगों का मैं तहे दिल से, रीत रूपानी जी, श्रेया मैम एंड सीता साहब, सभी लोगों का मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। और आज का हमारा डिस्कशन, हमारा ये संवाद यही समाप्त होता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।